With the manufacturing of over 150 fully assembled vehicles with nearly 40% local contribution, Lanka Ashok Leyland is now able to provide technologically savvy job opportunities to our children, laying the foundations for our local vehicle manufacturing industry, Industries Minister Wimal Weerawansa said recently. Minister Weerawansa made these remarks at the launch of a batch of locally assembled trucks at the Lanka Ashok Leyland factory premises in Godagama, Homagama recently. Lanka Ashok Leyland's factory in Jalthara, Homagama, which has not been operational since 1994, has resumed operations and was recently inspected by Minister Weerawansa. Lanka Ashok Leyland has a 28% stake in India and a 72% stake in Sri Lanka. 30% of this is owned by local shareholders and the remaining 42% is owned by Lanka Leyland Company, which operates under the Ministry of Industries. Buses, lorries and other vehicles were assembled in Sri Lanka until 1994. The company had stopped assembling its vehicles in 1994 as it was cheaper to import vehicles from India than to assemble in Sri Lanka. When the ministry has introduced the Standard Operating Procedure (SOP) on the vehicle manufacturing, vehicle assembling and auto accessories manufacturing industries, the local vehicle assembly industry receives tax concessions in proportion to the local value-added percentage, thereby limiting the import of vehicles to Lanka Ashok Leyland and opening its own vehicle assembly factory to create cheaper assembly vehicles in the country. Lanka Ashok Leyland will be using the tax breaks and market opportunities provided to the automotive assembly and automotive manufacturing industries through the aforementioned Standard Operating Procedure (SOP) to create new employment opportunities for Sri Lankan technology and engineering graduates in future. Minister Weerawansa asserted that his aim was to upgrade thousands of locally assembled and auto parts manufactured locally. Minister Weerawansa further added that this would also help to enter into vehicle exports using free trade agreements in the South Asian region and to launch not only buses and lorries but also specialized vehicles such as garbage lorries, water bowsers, concrete mixing trucks, etc. into the Sri Lankan market. Lanka Ashok Leyland Chairman Shantha Jayasena, Managing Director Umesh Gautam and around 750 customers who had already placed orders for the vehicles also participated at the event.
අපේ රජයේ වර්තමාන රජයේ බලයට පත්වීම සමග රුපියලට ඇතිවෙච්ච පීඩනය අවම කර ගැනීමේ බලාපොරොත්තුවෙන් වාහන ආනයනය සීමා කරන්න ගත්තු ප්‍රතිපත්තිමේ තීන්දුවත් ඒ වගේම එහා සමගාමීව සම්මත මෙහෙයුම් පටිපාටිය හෙවත් SOP එක හඳුන්වලා දෙන්න අපට පුළුවන්කම ලැබීමත් විසින් අද මේ රටේ අශෝක් ලේලන්ඩ් සමාගම වගේම තවත් සමාගම් කිහිපයක් මේ වාහන එකලස් කිරීමේ කර්මාන්තයේ වෙනදට වඩා වැඩි උද්‍යෝගයකින් උනන්දුවකින් නිරත වෙන බව අපි කවුරුත් දන්නවා. SOP එක හඳුන්වලා දෙන්න කලින් තිබුණේ ප්‍රධාන වශයෙන් සමාගම් 3යි. නමුත් ඒ සම්මත මෙහෙයුම් පටිපාටියේ හෙවත් SOP එක හඳුන්වලා දුන්නට පස්සේ ඒ කර්මාන්තයට දැන් අපේ ලියාපදිංචි වෙලා ක්‍රියාත්මක වෙන ආයතන 10කට වඩා වැඩි ප්‍රමාණයක් රට ඇතුලේ දේශීය වශයෙන් තියෙනවා.
For more latest news, subscribe to FTTV.